I'm Rosi Walsh. I'm from Bridgewater, Massachusetts, and I went to Cardinal Spellman High School. I've been on varsity soccer since freshman year, and it was my sophomore year. It was like my year to kind of start and get into the positions for the seniors that would be leaving. And I was up and I was gonna catch the ball, called trapping it. And I went to trap it, but the other defender decided to hook my leg. And I remember going up and back, I was off of both my feet, I was just flying in the air, and then rolling over and just having a really bad pain in the back of my head. And then I remember the athletic director coming over and they took me off the field. I didn't think anything was wrong, but I guess I looked out of it. Recently we had just taken the concussion testing at school because all sports and had to do that with the athletes. They just told us the day of tryouts, our first day of tryouts, they said, you'll be taking a test. It's an impact test. After the doctors tell you have a concussion, you have to retake another impact test, and they compare your scores, and if you're not close or exactly where you were before and you're still having symptoms, you're pretty much still in the concussion state. And I had gotten a really good score, and then I went from the 90th percentile to the first. Dr. Muse was my doctor for my concussion because he is actually a specialist in that area. He helped me a lot. He was really there for me, and he explained what was going on and why I was still having symptoms and why he couldn't actually let me go back to sports, even though I really was against not going back and doing what I loved. I'm happy he didn't let me go back to sports because if I had gone back any sooner, I probably wouldn't be as progressed because I could have gotten even a worse concussion, and it's still a year and a half later and I screw up words, I spell stuff wrong, I just say words backwards and I'll read stuff backwards, and it's a struggle. I mean, my learning has also changed around. I used to be able to look at things and learn it. Now I actually have to study. I've had to use all the styles of studying, and Dr. Muse really helped me with that. He told me which would be best and what scenarios would I use this in, and he really understood what was going on. And he's pretty much a reason I got into the colleges I got into. He's really helped. He was there by my side telling me that was going to be okay. I would really like to thank Dr. Muse and Signature Healthcare at Brockton Hospital for all that they've done for me. Because of them, I'm going to college, I'm studying architecture, and I couldn't have done it without them. College bound, whew!